Knowledge sheet number 47, sannyas and your associations. What does sannyas mean? Sannyas means I am nothing, I want nothing. Or it means I am everything and I have everything. What? What does sannyas mean? I am nothing, I want nothing. Or I am everything, I have everything. Sannyas is being colorless and multicolored at the same time. Your associations or company can either elevate you or push you down. Right? See, when you are sitting with people like me, you feel good, you feel elevated. And then you are sitting with some other type of people, you feel drained and tired. Yes or no? Right? Company causes first an attraction and then later delusion. This keeps your mind swinging between the two extremes of love and hatred. Some people you love to be with, some people you hate to be with. Right? With the power of knowledge and satsang, you can rise above this dilemma. You can be in company and yet not be affected by it. Right? That is sannyas. Sannyas does not mean letting go of everything. मैंने संन्यास ले लिया मतलब मैंने मेरा घर बार छोड़ दिया, बैंक अकाउंट खाली कर दिया. No. Sannyas means having everything and not being attached to it. Right? Are you getting? Do you get this? It's very, very thin. Very interesting. People have this wrong notion. Sannyas मतलब सब कपड़े उतारो, नंगे फिरो. ये sannyas, that is one type you can say if you want. But वो सब कपड़े उतार के फिर सोचते रहते हैं, अरे मेरा गुच्ची का बैग कहाँ गया, लुई विटॉन का मेरा ये कहाँ गया. वैसे ये कोई संन्यास नहीं है. This is not sannyas. Where you are sitting and thinking, yes, I have given up everything, and now what are they doing with it? Like this guy says, you know, I am going to take sannyas, he tells his wife. The wife says, no, you please don't go. No, I am just going, I am leaving everything, I am going out. Bus, you cannot stop me anymore. I am taking sannyas. So he goes out. Then 5 minutes later he comes back and says, that silver pot you have left outside the door, take it in. Right? ये कोई संन्यास नहीं. समझ में आ रही बात ना? गर्मी हो रही है, एसी ऑन करो. अच्छा, गर्मी हो रही है, पावर नहीं है, एसी नहीं ऑन हो रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, ये संन्यास है. गर्मी हो रही है, पावर है और ऐसे ही बैठे हैं, एसी नहीं ऑन कर रहे, ये बेवकूफी है. इसको संन्यास नहीं बोलते. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yes. Enjoy what you have. Be with what you have. Don't be attached to it. It's there today, it's gone tomorrow. We are not bothered. I am nothing, I want nothing. I am everything, I have everything. This is sannyas. And then the people you are with, how are they affecting you or how are you affecting them? Do you see how certain people you like to be with, certain people you don't want to be with? Yes? See, notice when you come into this hall only, do you notice how you go and meet some people and then other people you kind of stay away from? It's interesting to watch that. Right? So see that. अपने को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, जो हमारे पास आए सो ठीक है. We are not bothered by I like or I don't like. For us, like, don't like doesn't matter. Whoever comes. Yes. In the very beginning of Art of Living, when I had started, you know, I had asked one of my teachers, his name is Philip. I said, Philip, what is the toughest thing about Art of Living? He looked at me straight in the eye and said, Baba, you know, the toughest thing is you can't hire and fire devotees. whoever comes you have to be with them. कोई तुम्हें कोई चॉइस नहीं है, तुम्हारे कोर्स में कौन आता है उसके लिए तुम्हारे कोई चॉइस नहीं, राइट? यू कैनॉट हैव एनी preference, like, dislike. Whoever comes, they come. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yes. Cannot hire and fire devotees. Very nice. Sannyas.